Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now that I have more time, I'm learning how to cook. And today I'm trying to cook salmon sushi bake my way. My way because I don't have the exact ingredients, and this is the ingredients I found. I'm trying to be resourceful. I'm so glad I found avocados and mangoes. And this is just 6 simple steps. The first one is prepare the ingredients and preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Cook the rice, preferably Japanese rice. Prepare the fillings, the avocados, mangoes, and carrots, including our special ingredient smoked salmon crab sticks. And this is how I scoop the avocados, cut cubes the mangoes, and stripes the carrots. Then we prepare the sauce. The sauce I just mix together 8 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 4 tablespoons of Caesar salad, and then taste to your liking. Afterwards, we'll use chili sauce. Just use a regular mayonnaise and that Caesar salad that I grabbed from the store. So mix all those ingredients to the bowl except the avocados. So I started putting in the carrots, then the salmon that's sliced into thinly, including the crab sticks, then the mangoes into the bowl. I thought it would not fit, but all of them fit. I use smoked salmon so that it will have a better taste. Mix them well into the bowl. And the mangoes that I found are nearly ripe and they're not that soft, so it's a good mango for cooking, I guess. So we just mix all the ingredients in the bowl very well. Mix it well and evenly, and once we're done, we're gonna put it on top of the rice. The rice, I put it on a baking pan, and I place our fillings on top of the rice evenly, and then I put avocados on top as a decoration. I guess that's okay because avocados are soft and I don't want it to be inside the filling, so I just place it on top. Once that's done, that's step 4, and once we've done that, we fill the whole portion of the pan, the Pyrex. And once we're done, we can sprinkle this with sriracha sauce. That's our step 5 for easy for spiciness. I want my sushi spicy, and we place it inside the oven and bake it for 20 minutes. And voila, our salmon sushi bake done in 30 minutes, 10 minutes preparation and 20 minutes baking. If you want more spicy and tangy taste, mix soy sauce and wasabi. So I didn't mention about the nori sheet, did I? So cut a small portion of nori sheet and put a portion of your sushi bake on the nori sheet and dip it into your wasabi sauce. I'm trying this. This is my first time cooking salmon sushi bake, so if you have comments and suggestions, please let me know. But this one is really good. I think it's a success. I'm a first timer in cooking, so I'm glad I did this. I'm really scared in cooking, but now I'm really enjoying cooking. I hope you enjoyed this film too. Thank you everyone, and God bless.